बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बी इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी यस्सिर वला तुअस्सिर वतम्मिम बिल खैर रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वआलिहि वसल्लम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वआलिहि वसल्लम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वआलिहि वसल्लम आमीन. O great Allah, please increase us in knowledge. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to start the geography portion from the book The Environment of Pakistan. This is for grade 01 and the subject code is 2059. Today we will start chapter number 5, that is about fishing industry of Pakistan. Okay, the content that we are going to cover in this chapter are aquaculture, fishing areas and methods, inland fishing, fish farm, government efforts to develop fisheries, fish marketing, socio-economic benefits of fish farming, problems that are being faced by fishing industries, and sustainable fisheries. First of all, we will shed light on aquaculture, that what is an aquaculture. Aquaculture, less commonly spelled aquiculture, also known as aqua farming, is the farming of fish, aquatic plants, algae and other organisms. If you can see the image, this is the image of aqua farming or fish farming. Now we will shed light on fishing areas and methods for fish farming. Fishing methods, there are basically two fishing methods. First one is marine fishing and the second one is inland fishing. Let's start with marine fishing. Most marine fisheries are based near the coast. Harvesting from relatively shallow water is easier than in the open area. Fish are much more abundant near the coastal shelf. Abundance of nutrients are available there from coastal upwelling and land runoff. So again, marine fishing has two types. First one is subsistence and the second one is commercial fishing. So because it is near the coast fishing, so it can be having two types. First one is subsistence, and this is carried out primarily to feed the family and relatives of the person doing the fishing. Generally, it also employs that use of low-tech artisanal fishing techniques and is carried out by people who are very poor. Then we are having commercial fishing, and commercial fishing is the activity of catching fish and other seafood for commercial profit, mostly from wild fisheries. It provides a large quantity of food to many countries around the earth. So it is for commercial purpose and it is for the sake of profit. Then we are having inland fishing, and in inland fishing captures freshwater fish species such as trout. Some inland fisheries are based upon fish farming where species are raised in giant tanks or ponds. Now we will shed light on fish farms. Fish farms or fish farming is a form of aquaculture. The act of fish farming is about raising fish commercially in tanks or enclosures for human consumption. There are different types of fish farms that utilizes different aquaculture methods. If you can see in the image, this is a type of fish farm where fishes are raised or in tanks or in ponds. Then now we will discuss about the government efforts to develop fisheries. Introduction of new fishing methods. Government should introduce new fishing methods, then it should develop some valuable or value added products, guidance and weather information for fishermen through broadcasting, because we are discussing the governmental level efforts to develop fisheries. So these are the steps that must be done by the government in order to promote fisheries. Execution of development projects by Marine Fisheries Department, that is also known as MFD, and the purpose of MFD is monitoring of deep sea fishing vessels, strengthening of quality control laboratories. Fish marketing. What is a fish marketing? Basically, we are having two uses, two markets for fish marketing, that is domestic market, and it is also having international market. And domestic market for fish means that local supply of catch from marine fisheries through wholesale dealers. Street hawkers also buy and provide door to door service. Frozen fish is supplied to large departmental stores. Per capita consumption is 1.6 kg per annum, quite low than European countries. And in international market, about 30% of the fish catch is exported to 30 countries of the world. Japan is the main market for fish and shrimps. Pakistan earns more than 6% of its total foreign exchange by exporting fish and fish products. So it means that uh, Pakistan is also earning from fish market, that is 6%. Socio-economic benefits of developing fish farming. First one is greater return to fishermen, increased employment, use of technology and upgrading of skills increases fish production, favorable impact on foreign exchange earnings, reduces burden on crop and livestock. Fish farming and environment. It has some effects on the ecosystem as a whole. Ecological changes are there. Then we are having coastal wetlands, and chemical pollution is as well due to fish farming, and it has some adverse effect on the environment as well. Problems of the fishing industries. Now we are going to discuss the problems that are being faced by the fishing industry. First one is water pollution, then overfishing, threats to mangroves, lack of financial resources. How we can sustain the fisheries industry, or how can promote the fishing industry. Factors responsible for low performance of fishing sector are overfishing, catching baby fishes, the use of illegal nets, the destruction of mangroves, water pollution caused by industries, and how we can sustain it. In order to develop fisheries, government should not allow foreign deep sea trawlers to operate, implement the laws banning the use of illegal net, maintain the ecological balance by strict enforcement of laws against cutting off mangrove forest. So, students, today we have discussed all the things that are related to fishing industries, the methods that are being used for fishing. Then we have also discussed about problems that are being faced by fishing industries, what are the fish farms, what is the aquaculture, and how we can develop, or we can have a sustainable fisheries. So I hope all the things are clear to you. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.